Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cos Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone here in Fort Myers, Florida. I'm glad you're here. I'm going to be fiddling today. I'm working on an 8 by 32 inch edge canvas. I get these at Jerry's Artorama, and when you buy them in bulks of 3, it lowers the price a little bit, and a lot of times they go on sale. I'm working with this girl's color palette. Sorry all you blue lovers out there, although I promised to do something in blue. Yeah, I'll do something in blue, but I'm going to be doing a travel and jiggle pour with negative space and some of my favorite colors because it's my jam. Let's take a look at those colors because I think that they're extremely yummy together. Right here, we have a combination of golden fluids in the iridescent bronze and a new paint that was sent to me by Milo, and this is their bronze. Right there, I put that in to help thicken it up because we're doing a jiggle pour. I like my paints nice and thick. I also put a little bit of gel gloss medium to start and slowly added my paint to it and stirred it up before I added my pouring medium. Right here, another combination, Amsterdam Expert Series, and this is their burnt umber and golden fluids in the Van Dyke brown. This helped to thicken this up. These Expert Series paints by Amsterdam are thick as can be, and I love them. Pretty paint right there, Deco Art Metallics, and that is their pearl. Little gel gloss medium, then the pearl paint, stir it up real good, then my pouring medium. Squirt a GAC 800 in every single paint, and Floetrol, strained American Floetrol. I don't know what this is. It just appeared. It just appeared, so I fiddled with it. I just added a little bit of Van Dyke brown to it to warm it up. I don't know if I poured 2 satin enamels or what I did, but it just magically showed up. This right here is Deco Art satin enamel, and that is their neutral beige. Does the same kind of fun things as the pure white. I just like it with my earth tones a little bit more than that shocking white. And then this right here is Artist Loft Soft Body in the black, and this is also our flood coat, which I have in this container right here, but I'm going to end up pouring. I don't like these plastic containers. Let me get that off of there. So I usually pour it in a large cup to disperse it. I can pinch it and be a little bit more specific as far as where I'm going to put my paint. I'm going to be layering my cups. I'm not sure what order I'm going to go in. I'm going to lay them out here for you to see after I stare at them for a while. And then I'm going to layer my cups, and then I'm going to travel with them. And as I travel, I jiggle. It's basically a traveling straight pour with a little bit of a jiggle. I might even ring it to do a ring pour. I don't know. We'll decide when we get closer. I generally put down a little bit of our flow extender. I call that my runway, and then I jiggle my cup on top of it. And then I'm very, very specific about where I put my flow extender because the weight of the paint of the flow extender will dictate the movement of my other compositions. So I put it down a little bit at a time. I also tilt the first cup until there's very, very little movement. Most of the excess paint has tilted off. That way when I add my second, third, or maybe fourth cup, it doesn't move because there's no paint really left to alter that composition, if that makes sense. So that's what we're doing here, guys. I'm glad you're here, and I'm gonna get busy because I'm anxious to paint.
I used to think I'm the problem, that I was way too sensitive, reacting way too much. until I realized we were different types, carrying a different triggers, scaring us to death. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside just for a while. Some way we will be fine, safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide. I'll wait, I'll wait. Old days, I used to blame me for crying, till I realized that I had needs you didn't meet. But that's all days. Now that we see each other, can we slow down, start over? Come closer. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside just for a while. Some way we will be fine, safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide. It's perfect, but we are perfect together. Oh, together. I used to think I'm the problem, that I was way too sensitive, reacting way too much, until I realized we were different types, carrying a different triggers, scaring us to death. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside just for a while. Some way we will be fine, safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide. I'll wait, I'll wait. Old days, I used to blame me for crying, till I realized that I had needs you didn't meet. But that's all days. Now that we see each other, can we slow down, start over? Come closer. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside just for a while. Some way we will be fine, safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide.